Hello praisers and savers, my name is Sandy and welcome back to my channel. Today is the kind of couponing I live for, these practical hauls that I can feed my family of 7. If you are new to my channel, please make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. Also hit me up on Instagram and Facebook for any deals that I just have popping off immediately. Today, guys, we're going to be getting yogurt, chicken, snacks, just anything that we need to feed our family this week. So let's go ahead and get started on some great deals. Just a reminder, there is a printable breakdown in the description box. You can either print it off or just pull it up on your phone in the store. It makes things so easy for you so you don't have to write anything down. Now, all these deals in this video are a no paper coupons needed. I did not use not one paper coupon at the register. So this is going to make it easy for you. You'll get all these deals just using your phone. The first thing I picked up were these Snack Factory Pretzel Crisp. These are a family favorite, and we also use these a lot when we're tailgating for different dips. These are on BOGO, so the price of these is $2.25. No paper coupons needed on these. The next deal is supposed to be a freebie with IBOTTA, but I guess with inflation that is not happening. So these are the Quaker Puff Granola. Because they are new, we have a high-valued IBOTTA rebate. So you'll be getting back on IBOTTA $6.94 after you buy these. Now, you can go ahead and pick up 2 boxes because that buy one box, you're going to get back the $6.94, and then you'll get the second box for free. So both boxes essentially will be free. Now, you can just pick up 1 box of these, and in my state of South Carolina, this will make this a money maker of about $3 and I think 48 cents on these. It's up to you what you decide to do, but I went ahead and picked up both boxes and got back my $6.94 on IBOTTA and got the second box for free just for purchasing it at Publix. Now, this next thing I've never tried before, and I know that IBOTTA does put these things out there, so you do try it. These are called the La Combe coffee. They have the oat milk in them, and there are lattes and double lattes. I scanned all of these types of lattes, and it only worked on the blue ones, so be careful. Now, they are on BOGO this week. They're usually $3.29, but they're $1.65 on BOGO. Then you're going to submit to IBOTTA for $1 back on each one. You'll receive $1 back on each one, making these just 65 cents each. There was a limit of 5 on these, so I went ahead and stocked up and got 5 cans and received the $5 back for the 5 cans. I think this is a pretty great deal on some coffee that was originally over $3, so definitely pick these up. Good deal on these lattes. So here is my deal of the day. Whatever your deal of the day is, please type it in the comments. So this Tidy Cats lightweight kitty litter is usually $15.59. This is some high value kitty litter. It's the large container of 8.5 pounds. Now, we're going to be getting these on buy one, get one free, and we are picking up 2 because there is a IBOTTA rebate. When you buy 2, you'll get back $2.50 on IBOTTA, and then there's a coupons.com rebate. So let me break it down for you. You're going to pick up 2 of these at $2 of these at $7.80 each, or $15.59. The $2.50 coupons.com, you're going to scan that in the store on your app just to make sure, and then you'll be able to scan your receipt and get back that $2.50. After that, your total is $13.10. Then you'll submit to IBOTTA for $2.50. You'll get that back. Then your total is going to be $10.60 for the both of them, or $5.30 each. Amazing, amazing deal. Make sure you comment below your deal of the day so I know what you guys are getting. So everything is so expensive. You guys know that. You've been in the stores. And this pack of chicken here is $10. I love to see when the Green Wise chicken is buy one, get one free. I'm not going to break down any prices because you know all the different sizes of the chicken will be different. But just letting you guys know, very practical. I went ahead and picked up a pack of chicken breast to stick in the freezer for later on. And I always want to show you guys practical deals on my channel, especially when it is some good chicken. I don't ever buy the other chicken. I always buy the green wise chicken that Publix offers. So yeah, make sure you guys check that out. All right, next thing we have are these Totino's pizza rolls. These are usually $5.23. That is super expensive. I remember when they were just like $3. And then they're buy one, get one free. With the buy one, get one free, it makes each bag $2.62. Now, there is a 75-cent digital that came off, but there's also a 75-cent coupon on the Coupons app. So I went ahead and submitted to the Coupons app to see if that 75-cent came off as well. I did not factor that into my math. I just did the 1.75-cent digital coupon on the Publix app, which makes these $1.87 each. So pretty good deal. I was getting these below $1 before all of this inflation stuff, but I guess I'll have to just deal with this. All right, so the Bitoni pasta and the sauce is on sale, but I just picked up the pasta. It was a better deal. These are usually $4.69 each. They are BOGO this week, so they're $2.35 each. Then we have this $1.25 IBOTTA rebate, limit of 2, and you'll get back $1.25 makes it $1.10. So $1.10 after the $1.25 you'll receive. Now, I was hoping to get the bonus of 50 cents. I did not get the bonus of 50 cents. The bonus of 50 cents was when you buy 2 of the products. It did not happen. I did buy 2 of the products, but yeah, $1.10 after the $1.25 IBOTTA rebate. So when my kiddos get home from school today, I know they're going to be happy about these Chobani flips because they've been asking for Chobani yogurt, and these are their favorite. They haven't tried the flips though, so we shall see about these. But these are $5.89 each. They're BOGO, so they'll be $2.95 each at the register. Then IBOTTA has a $1.50 rebate on these, making each one of these $1.45. So I think that's a really good deal, from $5.89 all the way down to $1.45. And what makes this even better, it's a limit of 5. So you can pick up 5 packs and you will receive that $1.50 back, which makes it, if you do all 5 packs, you'll get back $7.50. This is our second freebie. These are the Nix Smack Bars. These are $2.99 each. And there's a $2.99 Publix digital coupon. So that will come off at the register. So what I went ahead and did was I picked up the buy one and the get free one. So I bought 2. Because the get free one, of course, is free. And then the coupon on the Publix app made the first one free. So both of these bars were freebies. And I will be taking these to work to snack on them. So just check your app. Go ahead and load that coupon if you haven't already, because you don't want it to disappear from your coupon gallery. So the Fresh Cravings Hummus is on sale this week, and I'm going to use those pretzel chips, those Snack Factory pretzel chips, to pair with this for one of our football tailgating parties. So these are usually $4.59. My store only had the classic and the jalapeno honey. I got the honey jalapeno. I picked that one up. I'm going to try it out. So usually $4.59 each. These are BOGO, so they'll be $2.30. Then we have a $1 IBOTTA rebate, and I believe this IBOTTA rebate is a limit of 1. So you can only pick up 1 container of hummus, making these just $1.30 each. So this is an okay deal if you want to stock up on some of the gravy mixes, McCormick gravy mixes. You can get them as cheap as like 65 cents, I believe. So just look at the various prices for these, because they're buy one, get one free. The one I picked up was $1.99. So essentially it's just going to be $1 at the register. I didn't think this was a bad deal because we do use this gravy mix for a variety of reasons, and the holidays are approaching us. I know, I can't believe I'm saying that, but you do want to go ahead and stock up on those items like that are needed. So check it out. Let me know which gravy mix you guys get and which one was the best deal. All right, so that's about it for us, guys. We had some great deals over at Publix this week. This has probably been one of my best weeks in a long time. Also, considering that we didn't use any paper coupons, it was all either IBOTTA or coupons.com or Publix Digital. So I like that trip. I didn't even take my binder in the store. I think that's going to be my new thing, just going in the store and just buying it using my phone. Alright guys, if you are not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and smash that red subscribe button and click that notification bell to all so you know when all of my videos will be popping up. Later on this week, we will be heading into Walmart for the Weekend Warrior bonus deals and also, of course, CVS, my favorite. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.